Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine and today we're creating a spread for Junk Journal, the board game, reflecting the aesthetic of a vintage flower market. Junk Journal, the board game, is a journaling prompt challenge I made last year and is available for free on my Ko-fi page, which will be linked below. The challenge has detailed prompts for those times when you just don't know what to create, so it makes it a little bit easier if you're new to journaling or if you're just feeling a little bit less creative. In today's video, I'm just having a bit of fun trying out watercolor paints and some gold leaf and transparent papers. I did a lot of messing around in this one, just seeing how things look and trying to give it an aged botanical aesthetic. So that's it for today's spread. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It's pretty grungy, but it was certainly fun to do. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one.